We want justice.
Justice, justice.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
Tripura long live.
Long live, long live.
Tripura long live.
Long live, long live.
Norok the fall live.
Long live, long live.
Haste Bangladesh kau illegal immigrants na mati Khwlainani.
Mati Khwlainani, mati Khwlainani.
Haste Bangladesh kau jangan Bangladesh na mati Khwlainani.
Mati Khwlainani, mati Khwlainani.
Hai kecobat Cholinai.
Cholinai, Cholinai.
Hai kecobat Cholika.
Cholika, Cholika.
Cobat Cholika.
Cholika, Cholika.
Hai kecobat.
Long live, long live.
Bangladeshi go back,
Go back, go back.
Bangladeshi go back,
Go back, go back.
Bangladeshi go back.
Go back, go back.
We want justice,
Justice, justice.
we want justice,
Justice, justice.
we want justice.
Long live, long live. Cholika, Cholika.
Coba implement mak Khwlainani.
Mati Khwlainani, mati Khwlainani.
Hai kecobat Cholinai.
Cholinai, Cholinai.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
Let us say go back.
Go back, go back.
Let us say go back.
Go back, go back.
Illegal migrants go back.
Go back, go back.
Illegal migrants go back.
Go back, go back.
Bangladesh say go back.
Go back, go back.
Bangladesh say go back.
Go back, go back.
Prasad the Bhage. Prasad the Bhage. Prasad.
Go back, go back.
Bangladeshi go back,
Go back, go back.
we want justice,
Justice, justice.
we want justice,
Justice, justice.
we want justice.
Justice, justice.
বিরোধী কেন বাংলাদেশে আইনি ভাই কেন হলে কি জবাব চাই জবাব দাও জবাব তোমায় দিতে হবে জবাব তোমায় দিতে হবে এই দেশ সংগ্রাম এই দেশ আন্দোলন এই দেশ প্রতিবাদ এই দেশ ধিক্কার long live,
Long live, long live.
Tripura long live,
Long live, long live.
Tripura long live.
Long live, long live.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
No justice, no rest.
No rest, no rest.
No justice, no rest.
No rest, no rest.
We want justice.
Justice, justice.
Bangladeshi go back.
Go back, go back.
Bangladeshi go back.
Go back, go back.
Illegal immigrants go back.
Go back, go back.
Illegal immigrants go back.
Go back, go back.
Illegal immigrants go back.
Go back, go back.
Agreement kha tai bom hai obostha ngai chau.
TSF जों जेफ्र बरंनि एप्रिल नुखा the 23rd October 2025 state wide strike गोबां मा demands नतै they up points गोबां मा बिसिंगो TSF since 1968 very clearly chini demand tongo illegal migrants thang dini roman script for kok brok thang boni bagai sing TSF full support जों मिया फ्रो जों press release खायका dini bo जों oro simia ora capital state was simia hathai kotor kereng jagaw chini TSF ni leaders rok borok support full support khaijak जों ground tongo boni bagai जों TSF 1968 ni simi chini demand tongoi tongaba tei borona hambaya for civil society no borok initiative nagai o je movement carry out khai tongo boni bagai जों TSF jeman sak जों full support khaigen hani जों tin nokhaja
Tawok joratei busu gonda choli chau tai bom hai porosity.
tabok joratei to rail rok joto no blockade thini khnago chini team aro sogoijak hatai kotor rogo kahan ni जों wasoko but government they should be very clear CM ni statement nukha strike rok khagai mangsa success mangla khnai but I want to tell to CM very clearly जों chini movement Tuesdays ni simi chengai very peaceful boni pore student movement जों TSF chenka after that silai tegi bo chini movement chengjaka I want to ask the Chief Minister of State, do you want the youth to be unpeaceful again? Nung sago जों peacefully protest khaigani thangai tongmago bo nung जों no kaso khangke tei waise ki जों silai tifina youth. That is my question to the Chief Minister of the State. He should understand what are we facing. Boni bagai but clearly all the demand on tege borok wasugang thang if not in the future youth sitting tonglak ne angkha khaige nirok nogi ni manam Nepal hai hago Manipur hai hago Bangladesh hai hago tumangai tong youth has taken the initiative so government of India ang thang Tripura state ni government ang thang they should be very clear what they want from the people and the youth of the Tripura.
Main demand of what?
Demand to the illegal migrants, Roman skill for Kokborok, the tripartite agreement. Amorong chung taking a line permit Nukya. So definitely I'm chung TSF to full support Nukya because for the greater interest of people, chung TSF since 1968 greater interest of people, this is student ban chung samang khai fight tongaba, chung all points chung fully support Nukya. And we believe that government of India that in step nagan if not, we want peace and we are peace-loving people. Chung santi musugut Tripura hawa haya ke. Baskan salo timang no. Government of Tripura, the government of India will be responsible for that.
Nung tu yang Rwkha, bazar of bomb da gari kali bomb hai obasta.
Angka Khwna capital state hai go. So oro jaga asok blockade khema khang success na hane. And Tripura raja to ungene tong Kwrwng jaga wo. I believe strike chimi success na ba India, but government should be responsible. Borok talks ma chole ronai and demands should be fulfilled. Then definitely all movement success na jeng kha khai.